Whether it's Kim Kardashian or a supermodel walking the runway, I keep seeing the same bronzy, sultry look over and over in Hollywood and with anyone who knows what's up. So today I've decided to recreate the look on Josie. Stay tuned for a full rundown on what products I used and where I placed them for this gorgeous bronzy summer makeup look. I'm going to start off by moisturizing and priming her skin. This is the Embryolisse Moisturizer Primer. If you have very oily skin naturally, you may want to choose an oil-free moisturizer, but no matter what, you're going to want to prime your skin by moisturizing it and potentially using a primer as well. This is the Charlotte Tilbury Eyes to Mesmerize in the shade Chocolate Bronze. So I've applied it with one brush and I'll buff it out with the other. Okay, so what I've just finished doing is I got a little bit of a concealer and I got just a light color of the Tarte Shape Tape and I cleaned up around her edges here. I went in under her brow and defined that, and then I put a little bit on her inner eye and then just kind of blended that outwards. I'm gonna go in with shimmer next. I'm going in with a bronzy color and I'm doing just a light coat over her whole eyeshadow to give it a little shimmer. A little bit of that coppery sheen that we're going for. I've concentrated a little bit of the coppery color on the center of her eyelid there. And now I'll get my lightest color and put it in the very center of the eye, or the inner portion of the eye. I'm going in with the Pillow Talk shade of the Eyes to Mesmerize by Charlotte Tilbury. And I am just warming up that original color we put on there. Shades tend to go very cool on Josie's skin type. I'm going in with a little bit more shimmer that has more of a champagne tone to it and adding some more sparkle to the inner eye. I'm gonna have Josie look up, and I'm gonna go in and clean up the sparkle and the fallout underneath her eye. Just a little bit, there's not much. Also, I'm gonna redefine just a little bit. She has smaller eyes, so you do not want to overwhelm the eye. A good way to kind of bring shadow back down a little bit is to differentiate right under the brow bone. I've just applied Josie's false eyelashes, and now I'm going in with the Dior Backstage Face and Body Foundation, and I am doing her complexion. So I color matched Josie's foundation a little warm and bronzy so that we can give her that sultry glow. So throughout her complexion, I am sticking to warm tones, lots of chocolate browns, copper, gold, a little bit of champagne, very warm and bronzy, everything. Don't alternate cool tones with warm tones in a look like this. I love these little powder puffs. I will put all of the products in the description so you can pick some up from the link there. But I'm using the Givenchy setting powder, taking it on my puff, working it into the puff, and then setting under her eye. And then what's left over, I'll set any lines that she has. This is a cool tone bronzer that I'm going in with first. And this is the Patrick Ta in the shade She's Chiseled. It's perfect for your initial cream contour, and then I will go over top with a little bit of powder to set everything. If you have a smaller forehead, don't overdo the bronzer on the forehead because that's going to bring your forehead in even more. So I've just put a small amount on Josie's petite forehead. Now I'm going in with my powder bronzer. You don't have to be quite as precise on where you put this one. You're just warming up the face. So I went in with the Charlotte Tilbury Glowgasm Beauty Light Wand. And then I'm blending that in a little bit more with my bronzer brush. And then I'm going to do a little bit more highlight on top of that. And this is the highlighter I used initially, the Anastasia Liquid Glow. So after I've done that, I'm just going to finish off her eyes. I'm gonna have her look up, and I'm gonna take the chocolate brown color and come underneath her eyes, tying the upper and the bottom together. And I will just go to the center of her eye where her pupil is. and then I'm gonna blend everything out. Close and open. And then I will repeat that on the other side as well. Look up. We're gonna finish the eyes with mascara. This is the L'Oreal Monsieur Big. Because this look has such a glowy finish to it, I'm gonna add a little bit more highlighter and almost set in the liquid highlighter. This is the Kylie Cheers Darling. This is the NYX in the color beige. It's definitely my favorite lip liner color right now. Then I'm taking my Buxom gloss in the color Serena. So this is the final gorgeous look. She is super bronzy, glowy, ready for all of the events that you could possibly throw at her this summer. I told Josie she needs to go out to dinner tonight because she's looking so freaking good, but stay tuned. I'm about to do another tutorial on how to get the eyeliner that is super trendy right now.